Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer blog content to Medium with SEO considerations, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Medium account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select New Story from the drop-down menu. Open your original blog post in a separate window. Copy the title of your blog post. Paste the title into the Medium story editor. Next, copy the content of your blog post. Paste the content into the Medium story editor. Review the formatting of your content. Adjust headings, paragraphs, and lists to fit Medium's style. Add relevant images from your blog to enhance visual appeal. Drag and drop images into the Medium editor where appropriate. Ensure all images have alt text for better SEO. Now, check your article for internal links. Replace any internal blog links with Medium-compatible links. If you have external links, verify they still work and open in a new tab. At this point, focus on SEO considerations. Include keywords naturally in your title and body text. Add tags to your Medium post that reflect the main topics covered. Choose relevant tags that will help readers find your content. Now, it's time to write a compelling meta description. Summarize your article in 2 to 3 sentences for the description. Make sure it includes your primary keywords for better search visibility. Before publishing, proofread the entire content. Look for grammatical errors and readability issues. Once satisfied, click the Publish button. Choose your visibility settings before confirming the publish. Finally, check your published post to ensure everything appears correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.